We are about to go and see something that I have no idea how it's here. I have no idea how this car got produced. I don't know if it was an Easter egg that Mercedes-Benz gave me, but it is the only GT in the country built in this color. It's the only one. I verified it just now again. In any stage of production, on the ground, all the way through, going to be built down the road. It's the only one in this color, so let's go check it out. This is the only GT in the entire country built in this color. I have no idea how I did it. I went into the inventory one day months ago, and there it was as an available choice, so I selected it. I went back a few days later, it was gone. It's not in the ordering guide, it's not on the website, it's nowhere to be found, but somehow we have ended up with the only Hell Green Magno GT55 coupe in the country, and I am thrilled about it. It looks beautiful, and I love the fact that it is the only one. Yellow brake calipers, which I think were the right color choice for this. Colin, what do you think?
I love it.
How's it look? Again, I have no idea how we got it. I really don't. So I absolutely had to get a video made of this to show you. We've been waiting a long time for this to get here. If you have any interest in owning the only Hell Green Magno GT two-door coupe in the country, this is it right here. And it is available. We haven't really told anybody about this. We kept it on the down low. I think it turned out beautifully. We're gonna get it all cleaned up, get it inside. What do you think?
All right, my hands are cold. Let's go.
All right, brother.
It's getting frostbite.
Take you around it here. Colin, go ahead and go inside. Get all warmed up, brother. And this is just such a stylish car. I am on the record for saying this is one of the most beautiful cars that Mercedes-Benz has ever built. Love the styling, love this color, and I love the fact that this is the only one. One day it just was there, I clicked it, I selected it, and now it's a reality. I was waiting the entire time that this was gonna be built. Part of me thought, is it gonna show up in a different color and it's gonna just have been some glitch in the system? But here it is. It really exists.